Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. I know I said I was taking the weekend off. Yes, I took the weekend off from cooking and messaging, but I worked all weekend on a new project, and I'll get to that in a moment. See, Saturday I was supposed to cook an international dish, but Robin brought home Noah's bagels. We had bagels for dinner. I called it Fend for Yourself. Oh, Noah's bagels are the best. I mean, they're not better than like New York bagels, but yeah. And then last night, we actually had dinner at the City Cafe. Robin had a union event there. So that's what we did for dinner. So today, I'm trying something new. I have never done this before. And there's a reason for the name of this. It's called today's tuna casserole because it's not our grandma's or even our mother's casserole. It doesn't have the Campbell's soup. This is a modern twist on a classic. No mise en place today. I'm really tired. I've been up for several hours working on this project that I mentioned. So that's what we're doing for dinner tonight. We have a kind of a short week. I'm only doing 5 dinners this week due to other obligations and hey, life. That's how it works. So yeah, today is today's tuna casserole. Look forward to the pictures and stuff from that. And I've been working on. I became end of last week a Amazon associate. In other words, I'm in part of the Amazon associate program. So there's now a new section in the Casual Chef website that's dedicated to items I have purchased from Amazon that I use in my kitchen and that I trust and totally recommend. And I will be adding more items that I necessarily haven't purchased from there, but things that I have in this kitchen, in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, that you can purchase through Amazon. I make a very tiny little commission. Just want to make that up right now. It's tiny. We're talking tiny. Okay? So that's what's been going on. Been creating artwork and blah, 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 blah. Been having a lot of fun. Because if you don't know, I do have a webmaster background. Yeah. Matter of fact, I was Sutter County's first webmaster, and I built the first Sutter County website. That was Robert and I were just getting into our marriage. So that's how long ago it was. All right, so that's what's going on here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Oh, and on Friday, Glennis Bushman was here, and she did some photos. I've already shared a few of those. Expect more coming out, over the next week. I'm still kind of going through them. We had a good time. She's a cook and a foodie herself. So yeah, we had a good time. So on this Monday, stay warm. I talked to my folks yesterday in Michigan. It was 14 degrees with snow. So we should be blessed that we're like 36 degrees and maybe get to 50 something today. So be thankful. Have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, my friends, have fun cooking.